name is Queen ABATHA. I am the owner of this fine castle. It is a pleasure to meet you. I'm just getting ready for tea time. Would you like a cup of tea? Well, come on, what are you waiting for? Let's have some tea. I have so many things I'd like to tell you. Please, let me show you around. Well, come on then. What are you waiting for? The tea will get cold. So come on then, scurry along. So how are you today? Oh, was the horse ride well? Was it a smooth ride? And how long did it take you to get to Edinburgh? Oh, I see. So let me tell you a few stories, shall we? So I was born in Sussex in 1756. It was a fine year. My mother and Papa, they took care of me, gave me a great life. I had no complaints, actually. And how about you, my dear? Madam Evelyn? No, really? I didn't hear that. How's your tea? Are you enjoying it? Yes, I had it imported from China. How are your children? The king is on horseback for the weekend, so I am alone with my tea. And how's Jessie? Oh, the horseback ride to London was treacherous, I tell you. Elizabeth is 17 now. She's dating a fine young man named Henry. This tea is so delightful. Splendid, I tell you, splendid. Oh, excuse me. Did I do that? Must be something in the tea. That's great. And what about Henry, your son? And Charles? I haven't seen Charles since he was 2 years old. Oh, I see. Oh, please excuse me. Don't mind me, I'm just doing something I've been meaning to do for a while. Continue speaking, please. Tell me, how's your cousin Suzanne? Oh, that's fantastic. I'm so happy to hear that. Oh, never mind me, I'm okay. I'll be right with you. I'm just doing something on the table here. Whenever you mind. I'm listening to you. Just excuse me for a minute, will you? Oh, nothing. It's just something I wanted to try. Please go on. You don't say. My brother used to be like that, you know? Continue. You must come and see my roses in the garden. I can promise you, you've never seen anything so gorgeous before. I'm still waiting upon a letter from Francis. He promised me that he would get back to me, and I haven't heard a thing. I'm so worried. Yes, it's very hard not hearing from your children. Join us again on our next episode. You just never know what may happen at our tea time. I love to share with you, so I look forward to it. Please subscribe.